Find the equation of the plane passing through the point this and passing through the point this and perpendicular to each of the following planes. This is one plane and this is another plane. See here the diagram I have drawn passing through this point. Find the equation of the plane. Let's say this is the equation of the plane here. This is the equation of the plane. This is the plane I have drawn. This plane is perpendicular to this plane and passing through this point 1 1 1. Now 1 point form equation of the plane formula you know. I told you that the formula will be a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal to 0. This is the value of x1, so that I put 1 here. This is the value of y1 that I put here, and this is the value of z1 that I put here. Now this equation I have given equation number 1. And we can tell since this plane is perpendicular to these two planes, so this plane we took A, B, C. So this direction ratio and this direction ratio 1, 2 and 3 you multiply A into 1 plus 2 into B plus 3 into C equal to 0. Since perpendicular, and this is the condition of the perpendicular, since this one number equation, this one is perpendicular to this plane also, so A into 2 this one plus B into minus 3 plus C into 4, that also will be 0. See here I have written that one. So there are 3 equations I got. Now these 3 equations, after taking we have to eliminate the direction ratio ABC. How to take the determinant? You have to take, see here coefficient of a x minus 1, here 1 and here 2. So that I take here. Here y minus 1, 2 minus 3, that I take here. And z minus 1, 3, 4, that I take here, equal to 0. Now we need to expand this determinant. This expansion you can do in your own way. Here I have applied Sharra's rule. Many times I told what is Sharra's rule. This determinant equal to product of these diagonals. This plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this. Now minus this into this, minus this into this, minus this into this. Now this one how to write? This first row it has gone there, second row you copy it there. Now if you apply in that way, then you will get the value of the determinant. And you got the equation of the plane.